Transferring files from your Samsung to PC is key to protecting important memories and documents. In this video, we'll show you 6 easy ways to transfer your files from Samsung to PC. Way 1. Transfer Samsung files to PC via Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android is a sophisticated software designed to facilitate the seamless transfer of files between Samsung devices and PCs. With this program, you can effortlessly transfer files from a Samsung Galaxy to a computer. Step 1. Connect, install, and launch the Assistant for Android program on your PC. Connect the Samsung phone to PC using a USB cable. The program will recognize and display your Samsung phone. Step 2. Select files from the left menu, for example, Photos, Preview, and choose the ones to transfer. Step 3. Click Export. Choose a save location and start the transfer. For quick and complete Samsung data transfer, use the Super Toolkit option on the top screen. When your phone is identified by this tool, click Backup, select the desired file types, and hit Backup to transfer the chosen data in bulk instantly. Way 2. Get Samsung file transfer to PC by drag and drop media only. Connect your Samsung phone to your computer via USB, and lock your phone. Drag down the notifications panel and select Media Device MeTP. On your computer, open My Computer or use Windows+E. Locate your Samsung phone under Portable Devices. Access the desired files, like photos, in the DSIM folder and copy them to your PC. Create a new folder or use an existing one on your PC to save the transferred files. Way 3. Copy Samsung Galaxy files to PC with Smart Switch. Install Smart Switch on your PC. Connect your phone via USB and open the app. Click Backup, select file types, and confirm. Wait for completion, then click OK. Way 4. Connect Samsung phone to PC for file transfer via Link to Windows. Set up Link to Windows on your Samsung. Open your phone on PC and connect. Access photos or files, select items, and copy or save them to your PC. Way 5. Transfer files from Samsung to PC by Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both devices. Pair your phone with your PC. Open My Files, select Files, tap Share, and choose Bluetooth. Select your PC and accept the transfer. Way 6. Transfer files from Samsung Galaxy to PC using AirDroid. Install AirDroid on your Samsung. Open it to get the web address. On your PC, visit web.airdroid.com and scan the QR code. Once connected, select Files and click Download to transfer. Way 7. Transfer files from Galaxy to PC using Quick Share for Windows. Install Quick Share on your PC and sign in. On your phone, enable Quick Share in Settings. Select Files, tap Share Quick Share, and choose your PC. Accept the transfer. Files saved to Downloads.